Good morning and welcome to your daily operations weather briefing. We've got some pretty breezy conditions expected for today as we'll have a cold front moving through the region. It's going to bring in an area of high pressure, tighten the pressure gradient over our region, giving us some wind gusts that could approach that wind criteria for a wind advisory as we go into the late morning and afternoon hours today. Looking at our current radar and satellite composite, you can see really not much in the way of any kind of precipitation or for that matter any cloudiness in the area right now. We will see a little bit of increase in our lower level cloudiness as we get into the afternoon, seeing some cumulus cloud development at the low levels of the atmosphere, but overall we'll average out partly cloudy as we go through the day today. More sunshine expected during the morning hours than in the afternoon today. Looking at our surface analysis, you can see that front just off to the east now, and that will usher in an area of high pressure that will bring in some pretty dry conditions for us as we go through the day today. And again, those breezy winds behind the front approaching that 25 knot criteria as we go into the late morning and afternoon hours today. Currently out there we have a few clouds at 6,000 feet with unrestricted visibilities. Those winds currently out of a west-northwest direction, slightly breezy at the moment at around 10 knots, but we will see those winds increasing again as we go through the next few hours today. Temperature currently at 57 degrees, humidity at 66%. Taking a look at our next 24 hours, we're going to see again mostly sunny conditions as we go through the morning hours, with a little bit of an increase in cloudiness as we go through the afternoon today. Could see partly to mostly cloudy skies during the afternoon hours, getting up to a daytime high around 62 degrees. So even though we've got that frontal boundary moving through the area, we will see those temperatures warming about 5 degrees more than what we currently are at, with those daytime highs reaching around 62. And as we go into the evening tonight, we'll see the winds slowly begin to decrease after seeing those winds up around 25 knots during the afternoon. We'll see those winds dropping down out of the northwest around 8 to 13 knots by the evening hours tonight, and then northwesterly at 4 to 8 knots overnight tonight into the early morning hours of Tuesday. Tuesday and Wednesday, expecting high pressure to control the weather for us. Mostly sunny and slightly breezy conditions. Not as windy on Tuesday as what we'll see today, with a high of 61. Tuesday night, we'll see pleasant conditions throughout the region. Light winds, temperature really not all that chilly for this time of year, with a low of 48. And for Wednesday, mostly sunny and warmer conditions as we'll see those winds turn southwesterly in direction, bringing in some unseasonably warm conditions for the middle to end of this week, with a high expected on Wednesday of 65 degrees. That'll wrap it up for today's weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow morning at 8:15 and also later this morning at 10 a.m. Have a nice day.